Welcome to the Agentic Process Automation Training Camp. I am absolutely thrilled to kick off this journey with you today. As automation leaders, you're at the forefront of transforming how your organization is approaching AI and automation. And this training camp is designed to equip you with the knowledge and the tools to lead that transformation successfully. Now, I want to start by sharing a little bit about what you can expect over the coming weeks. This is a 4-week journey into agentic process automation, where you'll be receiving weekly game plans with focused themes and materials. Each week includes discussion guides and team exercises that are designed to help you apply what you're learning directly to the organization challenges and opportunities that you have. Now, what makes this training camp special is that it's community driven. You'll be learning alongside peers who are facing similar challenges, and you'll have the opportunity to share insights and learn from one another's experiences. By the end of these 4 weeks, you'll have a foundation to transform your automation capabilities and lead your organization into the era of AI-powered automation. For week one, we're focusing on building a firm foundation. The topics that we're going to cover include an overview of agentic process automation, understanding what makes it different from traditional automation approaches. We'll introduce our Pathfinder Framework and give you some insight into how that can help you guide your program through the various stages of development and delivery, and make sure that you're thinking holistically about taking on agentic process automation as a program. You'll learn how to align your automation program with your organization's broader AI and investment objectives, ensuring your efforts contribute directly to business success. We'll give you an overview of the APA enablement framework, which will be our roadmap for implementation over the next few weeks. And then we'll introduce the 3 T's: type, technology, and talent, which are the core pillars of how you can analyze any opportunity you're considering for AI agents. Now, some of you may have joined some of our previous training camps. And so for those who haven't, I want to give you some advice on how to get the best and the most out of this training. First and foremost, go through this as a team. This is designed with 2 learning tracks, one for automation leaders and one for developers, but they share a single goal of building a successful APA program. The different perspectives from each persona are invaluable, so make sure to join this together as a team. I'd also say make sure to complete all of this week's required training. We've designed it to take about 2 hours per week, making it manageable alongside your regular responsibilities. Next, make sure that you plan to meet together as a team to discuss what you're learning. In the game plan blog post that was shared, you'll find a discussion guide and team activity specifically designed to facilitate these conversations. These will be crucial to making sure that everyone on the team is on the same page and everyone's perspectives are being recognized. Finally, make sure that you engage with our Automation Anywhere community. Share your reflections as you learn, ask questions, learn from the experiences of others. The collective wisdom of this community is one of our most valuable resources. I'll also say, remember that we're here to help you as well. So if you have questions or encounter challenges, make sure to visit our community forums where you can ask questions and get support from both myself and the team, as well as fellow participants. It's also important to connect with other participants who may be facing similar challenges or have similar insights to share, maybe from the same industry or a different industry. Learning from each other, both inside and outside of industry, is incredibly valuable. Don't hesitate to share your successes, your challenges, your questions, your thoughts. This transparency helps everyone learn better. You can also follow along the conversation on social media using the hashtag APA Training Camp. You can see it in the bottom left corner here, and share your biggest takeaways. Let us know what you're learning. Again, this is another great way to connect with others and learn from our community. I'm genuinely excited about the transformation journey that we're embarking on together. The work that you do over these next few weeks will lay the groundwork for bringing AI powered agentic automation to your organization. Good luck with this week's content, and I can't wait to see what you accomplish. Thanks again for watching. Enjoy this week's courses, and I'll see you in the next one.